In this video, I will show you how to download Minecraft Bedrock Edition for free on your PC. Let's start the video. First, open the Microsoft Store on your PC and search for Minecraft for Windows. Click on it and install the game. Once the installation is complete, click on Play. At this point, the game will appear locked, so we need to unlock it. To do this, download the Minecraft mod installer from the link in the description. After downloading, close the game. Now extract the downloaded file and open the extracted folder. Run the GGUP mod installer by opening the .exe file. A Windows pop-up will appear, click Yes. If done correctly, the mod installer will open. Click on Install Mod. After installation, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Close the mod installer. Now open Minecraft again. If you followed all the steps correctly, your game will be unlocked and ready to play. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.